Hi guys, Gavin Little from Little IT here. Hope everyone is doing really well. I wanted to share with you a recent experience I had with a customer of Little IT's around the use of a cloud storage service. Now this business had used cloud storage in the past, but one important key factor that they hadn't considered or hadn't been in conversation with anyone about was around data sovereignty. Data sovereignty looks at things like compliance with privacy obligations of the information that you store. It looks at the security of the data, the protection and the privacy of that data. So for example, if you are using a cloud service that stores your information internationally, so outside of Australian shores, then it's important for you and your business to be aware of where that data is actually stored and the laws that govern the data. So if your data is stored in the United States, then the laws that govern your data are based on United States laws and not Australian laws. So when you're thinking about the data that you store in the cloud service provider, data sovereignty is important when you have credit card details, health records, personal information and financial details. So if you have any of those key things, then it's really important for you to understand the data sovereignty component of cloud service providers. If you don't, it's still important for you to understand if your information is actually being stored internationally and not in Australian shores. Now, some cloud service providers will give you the option to store it within Australia, but some don't. So important to understand that as a business owner. Cloud services provide a great deal of benefit to any business. It provides you flexibility, it gives you the option to work from anywhere, anytime. But it is important for you to understand things like the data sovereignty and where your data is actually stored and located. So check out the cloud provider's website and support pages, and importantly, talk to your IT provider as well. If you have any questions or queries, Little IT is obviously here to support. So please don't hesitate to get in touch with myself. Thanks for listening, guys. Hope this information has been useful for you, and everyone have a wonderful and safe day. Cheers.